Assalamualaikum class, how are you? Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to revise letter Ya from our books, homework booklet and English workbook. In the first week we have learned a lot of things about letter Ya, and now we are going through the book. It's your English workbook, page number 97. On this page you just have to trace letter Ya like this and learn the friends of letter Ya, that are York, Yo-Yo, Yacht, Yak, Yogurt. On the next page you just have to trace letter Ya. Now it's page number 99. On this page there is an activity for you. This is yacht made up of computer paper cuttings, but as you are at home, so maybe you don't have those papers, so you can draw this egg yolk. This portion will remain white and you can color the yolk yellow. Now this is page number 100. Trace and match the Ya things only. What you have to do on this page is you have to find out the friends of Ya and match them with letter Ya. Let me tell you the names of the pictures: yogurt, vulture, yak, cap, york, yacht, igloo. Now it's your homework booklet, page number 123. There is an coloring activity for you. You are going to color yacht and trace letter Ya here. On page 124, again coloring and tracing. On this page, similarly, you will color the friends of Ya and trace letter. This is an important page, it's 127. On this page there are 4 letters, letter V, V, X, Ya. You have to match the letter with its friend. For example, if it's letter X, you will come here and find out the friend of letter X, and there we go, X-ray. And then you will match letter X with its friend, that is X-ray.